Welcome to the TPC Desktop video series. In this video, we'll look at some of the standardized import settings for the different file types that Traverse PC supports. I started a new job called Villa, and I'm going to import some Pacsoft data into this. Traverse PC supports a number of legacy file formats like Pacsoft, CNG. And let's go to File, choose Import. I'm going to choose Pacsoft from the list here. And then this is new to TPC Desktop 2016. All the filters expose some of these standardized import settings. So here I can tell Traverse PC that I want to show details for this import. I want to create a drawing for that imported data. If I want to convert ground to grid coordinates or meters to feet or whatever, I can do that here. I can specify the file extension, give it a point label modifier. Here I've turned on just two options, details and create drawing of import. And then I'm going to browse to the file that I want to import. It's Villa CRD, and let's choose import. So Traverse PC has imported the 272 points. This particular format has sets that we translate into traverses. So I get quite a bit of information out of this. And let's just pull up to the top here. And we can see that Traverse PC, because we turn on the details option, gives me lots of information about any coordinate conversions that were done. For each point, I have full information about the point description and coordinates. When I'm done with the points, I come down to the sets. So here are the sets that were imported. It tells me I created this Villa CRD drawing. So I've got a lot of information here in the details. This wasn't exposed to the Pacsoft import previous to 2016, but now all the filters have the ability to turn the details on. So I can get lots of good information. Now, here's the drawing that we created for this import. I'm going to come over and turn off this one traverse that has all the points because it has this kind of outlier over here I really don't want. That allows me to come in and choose a little bit different orientation for this drawing. I'm going to stick with the 11 by 17. It's kind of a great size to use for just checking data. But I'm going to make it portrait, and I'm going to do a zoom extents here. So we can see that we opened that Pacsoft file, and we brought in all the points, but we also created a traverse for each one of these sets. And it's wonderful because I have all the lots and the boundaries and the right-of-ways reestablished in Traverse PC just like they were in Pacsoft. And then, of course, I have all the points in the Points Manager, all the traverses in the Traverse Manager. And did you notice that each one of these traverses that came in has certain kind of settings for the lines, the colors, or whatever? We used an import format called import data. And it's just a sort of a real clean way to bring in the lines and the point numbers if you've got a lot of data that was imported. Again, something new to Traverse PC 2016. We just are trying to make it easier for you to take a look at what you actually brought in from an import through these details and through this drawing just for the imported data.